Why? Reload sila. Kailangan galing. Okay. Mock Vivo. And I'm Mock Vivo. Welcome to our vlog. First ever vlog.
Good morning! Ako nga pala si Jen. Welcome to my vlog. And I am with...
Mock Vivo.
And welcome to our first...
Ever vlogging.
ever. So for today, saan tayo pupuntahan?
We're going to the Postal Museum and the Mail Rail. Check the history of my workplace.
Okay. Excited ka na ba?
Of course. Would love to see it.
Okay, see you guys.
Part of my job.
Bye. Ito ba yun? Ay, sorry.
We're at Postal Museum. Our
And?
first trip.
Bakit pawis tayo?
Because we walk. Instead of taking the bus, we walk like 15 minutes.
So, ano hinihintay natin?
We're waiting for the train.
Kasi,
Yeah, because we're gonna see the history of my workplace. The post office. History.
ayun na, parating na.
It is.
Thank you, Enterprise.
You're about to explore some of London's hidden underground postal railway. I'm Andy, your guide today, and I'm joined by Ray Middlesbrough. Hi, Ray. Hi. I worked here as an engineer for 27 years. Mount Pleasant sorting office, heading east to Whitechapel. It was hard work down here, but we all thought we were part of something important. In the 80s, we had our 60th anniversary. Along with that, we had a new brand and finally some new trains.
Left leads to Liverpool Street Station, where mail was transferred to the main railway
The
network.
fleet broke into where they were digging. The barriers here.
Konting ito. Nakakatawa nga, di. Ganyan kami sa trabaho namin. Royal Mail. What a privilege to work here.
May nagpa-practice po dito.
Post!
Again.
Again.
Wow! Okay, baliktad na. Wow! Ako naman, honey.
Okay.
Ano nalala?
Ano, ito dito namin nilalagay yung mga parcels namin. Napakami nito sa post office namin eh. Yeah, ang sanitize naman eh. Pag nilalagay mo yung parcels dyan, bababa yan. Malalaki na Yorkies namin eh. Pero napakami nito. Pakita ko sa iyo. Lord.
Only one lever can be used.
Where's the next stop?
Right, the next stop, I don't know. We still got more to see, innit? Look. What's that?
Nasa akin yung scarf mo?
Hey, go for it. That's fine. Just put them on. Ayan naman, oh. Ready ba for sorting? Huh? Ready to sort the letters? Ay, susumbrero siya. Yun, oh. Wow. Mail sorter, oh. Gandang post-room naman to, oh. Wala kung sususin ko yung sundo.
Zoom na. Magugulo po.
Go! Sige, hulog mo lang. Oh, saan yan? Nope. Oh, i-match mo dun sa drawing. Ayun o. Chester, ayun o.
So, nasa na tayo?
For a little shopping. Ganda o.
Sana yan.
Ganda ulan ah. Not sure about the price. Oh, here it is.
22 pounds?
Sa IKEA na lang tayo bumili. Bumili na tayo ulan sa IKEA. Ang gugulo. Pangalan pusa si Jessie. Postman Pat. Ito pala si Tibbs. Ay, ano ah, sing kulay ito ni Bobby ah, yung pusa sa post office namin.
Bibilan mo siya.
Si Bobby. Marabi ko lang sing kulay. Ang kulay yung Bobby ah. Hey Bobby.
Hey, Bobby. May laman ba?
Ha? May laman yan. May laman to. Bibili ako nito. Ito, may trivia ako. Ano ang isa sa mga major problem ng postman pag nagde-deliver?
Aso.
Correct. Bakit ka mo? Sige nga, paano? Ito, maghuhulog ka ng sulat. Yeah.
I'm excited ko.
Ano yung sunutin mo ito? Mga babae.
Akala ko ba isusoli mo na, Han?
Wait lang. Ay, namali ata ako ng ano.
Hat.
At daw pala pag ano.
Oh my goodness.
Hey, amo na. Maganda naman siya.
Soli mo na, Han.
Ito na po, susulit ko na.
Ayan po. Ayan po, kinuha na namin yung costume. Kuwari model. Model. Nasaan yung...
That's it.
That's it.
Nagugulo na buko.
Ha?
Thank you, man.
Dig your hand in front of the 3 sensors. Ayan, ito yung hand. Nangyari.
Wow. Ito, I love you.
No, I love it.
Ano, may I love you, oh. Ah, ikaw love ko.
Mundo.
Daw.
Ah, pwede ka magsulat. Ayan pala, honey. Pwede ka magsulat dito.
Ano ilalagay yan?
Write a message on the paper provided. Roll it up. So you are one of... Ayun na. Message. Open the flap at the base. Shut the... And watch your message. Use a plastic card.
Pero dito,
Together.
ito, remembrance natin, ha? Heart. Viva. And...
I think that one's Layla for us. Yes, it's coming. Wait, Can I hold it? Yes.
Tapos, meron pa isa. Hindi yan natin, ha?
I'm gonna write something down.
Hindi yan.
I'm trying to write something. Go back.
So, what did you receive?
No.
Love you very much.
Love you.
Ito lang, dalawa, no?
Oo, yung dalawa lang.
Right or maybe I
Sa mga postman, pag malalayo man kayo.
Sa postman.
Oo, yun yung mga naghahatid.
Parang ano, Scooby-Doo.
Oo, pag magagaling ka sa post office, tapos ihahatid ka dun sa route mo. Ganyan yung post bus noon.
The Royal Van.
The Royal Van. I love you. I'm faithful to you. And I will always be faithful.
Kamusta naman ang trip?
Amazing. It was lovely. My first trip to a museum.
Anong favorite part mo?
Yung nagsuot ng uniform. Part of the job.
Favorite
Alam,
part ko?
Ano ba ang favorite part?
Yung nag-iikot ka na suot yung uniform.
Ayun, naglalakad-lakad ako. Panty ba?
uniform.
Nagtitinginan tayo.
Ikaw lang, ikaw.
Eh, syempre, ganyan talaga. Kanya-kanyang trip yan eh. Diba?
Diba?
Ayos.
Ayos. Nice ba?
Love you.
Love you. Mga?
Bango siya.